Good morning, everyone. So today I'm performing a tummy tuck with a pubic lift, and my patient today is in fantastic shape. She works out a lot, but she's had 3 children, and post-pregnancy has loosening of her abdominal wall with a lot of muscle separation, as well as excess skin of her abdomen and her mons. She also has a large umbilical hernia that will be repaired by one of my general surgery colleagues. So the surgery today is going to repair her abdominal wall muscles and tighten her abdominal wall and remove and tighten excess skin of her abdomen and her mons. So I've delineated a low tummy tuck incision, and I've measured this with the patient in the pre-op area where she normally wears her bikini bottoms. You can see how it makes a nice gentle curve. And the patient has a large umbilical hernia. We'll show it when I lift up the flap, and also this very large piercing. So I'm going to have to very carefully design the new belly button to make it look like a natural tucked in round innie. Carefully deepen this incision down onto her abdominal wall. You can see the white here is her abdominal fascia. And now I'm very carefully and meticulously lifting the tissues off her abdominal wall. And whatever little vessels I see, I just cauterize them before it bleeds, so that way she'll have little to no bleeding in the surgery. And you can see I'm identifying the vessels as I come up onto them and tie them off, so there's little to no bleeding. Just doing it very carefully, meticulously. So I've elevated the tissues off the abdominal wall, and you can see how I've separated the belly button from the surrounding tissues. The belly button is going to stay in place. It's connected deep, and I'm just very carefully elevating the tissues around it. I've carefully elevated all the tissues off the abdominal wall, and you can see her belly button here is in the same place. She has a lot of muscle separation. You can see that the edge of the muscle is here and here, so I'm going to measure how much muscle tightening I can perform. So I've measured the edge of the muscle and how much plication I can perform, and at the widest point it measures about 4.5 centimeters. And you can see that when I bring the edges of her muscle together, see the edge here? It brings her abdomen together nice and flat and tight. And I'm just very meticulously and carefully performing the muscle plication, making sure I line up the muscles exactly symmetric. You can see how perfect and even this looks. Even though it's on the inside, it's very important to do it as perfectly as possible so patients feel that their muscles contract symmetrically after surgery. So I've completed the first layer muscle plication. You can see how nice and tight and flat her abdomen is. And now I'm placing a second reinforcing layer to secure the first one, to make sure that if she coughs or sneezes post-operatively, there's no chance of the repair opening or getting loose or falling apart. Okay, I'm putting it together, and you can see it's lined up exactly symmetric. Okay, so beautiful and perfect 2-layer muscle repair. Look how nice and flat and strong her abdomen is. And now I'm placing long-acting numbing medicine underneath the repair, so she'll have little to no pain after surgery. Next, I'm performing the pubic lift in order to stretch the mons and tighten it. So the flap measures about 17 centimeters, which is equivalent to 7 inches. So now I'm getting hemostasis, just checking for any bleeding. You can see there's been little to no bleeding in the whole case. It's a nice, clean, and dry feel. And now weighing the flap, 9 ounces, so it weighs less than a pound. And that's equivalent to 260 grams. Delineated the lateral border of her ab muscles, and now I'm going to place 2 rows of tacking sutures to secure the flap and create the appearance of abs. Now I'm closing in layers from deep to superficial, and see, this is the fascia layer, the strength layer on the top. I'm closing it to the bottom, and it's important to close the incision meticulously, layer by layer, so that way it'll be perfectly even without any bunching or pleating. And now the deep layer's closed, and I'm closing layer by layer, getting this perfectly approximated. So I just wanted to show how beautifully the incision is coming together. And you can see how the stomach seamlessly blends into the mons and into the leg because I've closed in multiple layers. And now I'm just approaching the corner. And I'm doing a deep dermal suture, which is just 1 layer underneath the skin. And you can see how when I pull this together, it's perfectly aligned. I haven't even done the skin layer yet, and the incision is super thin and together. And then just doing the skin layer. So this is the subcuticular suture, and you can see how the incision's already completely together, but this brings it super, super thin, and when it's healed, it'll be a barely visible scar. And a lot of you have asked about the scars, so if you go to my Instagram, there's a highlight that says incisions, and you can see just how thin and invisible this incision is with the way that I do the closure. So I'm just putting the finishing touches on the incision. You can see how beautiful, low, and thin it is. And you can see her beautiful, natural looking innie belly button and abdominal contour. And you can see that this is perfectly even. There's no bunching or step-offs or waviness of the sides. It's really important to piece the flap together so it's perfectly lined up like this. Otherwise, that bunching and pleating that people have, it never goes away. It's permanent, and patients really, really dislike that. When you look at tummy tucks, look at all the little details, because all the details matter. Okay, so I just want to show the final result. Beautiful, flat and tight contoured abdomen. Look how nice and low the incision is. Okay, and let's compare it with the before. You can see how all the excess stretchy skin is gone, how the hanging skin over her belly button is now nice and tight. Okay, in 3/4 view, you can see how beautiful, contoured, and natural looking her abdomen is.